about it ever since the idea was pitched to me na magkakaroon ka ng album. This has been my dream ever since I was super young. I love singing, performing. This is a dream come true, so I'm very excited for it to happen and for a lot of people to be sharing it with me. May pinalisten sa amin. Tapos, we just had to vote which ones we like the most. Maganda yung lahat, pero sabi talaga tumatak sa amin kasi mas nakaka-relate ako sa song. At feeling ko din, mas makaka-relate yung iba sa mga kanta na pinili namin. I'm very much comfortable with pop sa genre ng album ko. It's not very lyric. It's not also very quiet. Parang saktong astig lang. I actually noticed my speaking voice is very different from my singing voice. Mas lumalabas yung accurate speaking voice ko whenever I sing pop. Nothing beats the feeling of recording your songs for the first time. It was an experience and definitely a moment to remember. Andun din sila Sir Rox, andun siya. Parang, I never felt like it was difficult. It's my passion and I enjoy doing it. I really did see myself doing what I'm doing now. Noon nga, yung audience ko lang is my parents. The simple performance would make them so happy. So what more if I were to bring it to other people? Kaya yun, nakakasap. As someone who is still figuring things out as well, hopefully I get to explore more in the acting industry, the acting world. Para naman maging all-rounder ang atake ko. I love Zendaya, she's my inspiration. So I hope that not only will I be successful, but happy. In my album, my favorite track is titled Overthink. Even if I wouldn't sing the song, even if it wasn't my song, I would still listen to it. I love the lyrics. It's something you post in your Instagram story or repost on TikTok kasi nakaka-relate. So, Overthink.